Welcome to the demonstration of SmartOn's signature track course. At SmartOn, we fundamentally believe that learning should lead to outcomes. Our core instructional approach is centered around the principle of learning by doing, which helps in the acquisition of skills and not just knowledge. Today, we'll be walking you through our digital commerce course. We are on the homepage of the course, and as you can see, this provides a brief overview of the course and easy links to get started. Let's click on Module 1 to start accessing the course material of this 5-module course. The first module is spread over 4 weeks and consists of 9 lessons. And the weekly learning resources consist of core learning materials, additional reading materials, additional watch-out videos, collaborative exercises in the form of discussion and assignments, and synchronous or real-time sessions for learning support or expert talks from industry practitioners. We'll now go through one of the core concept lessons.
Welcome to the
Digital commerce is a term that has evolved from
The focus of these core concept lessons is to teach the learner the concepts and theory part of the course. These tutorials typically consist of audio and video elements along with interactivities to make the learning experience wholesome and engaging.
examples of e-commerce from e-commerce.
The content is presented in different formats and each lesson ends with a knowledge check. Let us now go back and take a look at some of the additional learning materials for this week. There is a Twitter feed on the hashtag e-commerce, which displays the latest tweets on e-commerce. There is an article and then there is a video from TED on why competitors open their stores next to one another.
Why do grocery stores, auto repair shops, and restaurants always seem to exist in groups instead of being spread evenly throughout a community? While there are several factors.
The collaborative part of the course happens in the form of a discussion forum. For this topic, one of the discussion forums is about the favorite digital commerce site of the learners. And finally, each module ends with an assessment. Let us now come to the most critical part of each course, which is the learning by doing. Our objective here is to provide learners with hands-on experience of applying concepts into practice and acquire tangible, in-demand competencies. In our digital commerce course, we train students on how to create and operate a digital commerce store using Shopify, which is one of the world's largest e-commerce platform with more than 100,000 stores in 70 plus countries. Each lesson in this module begins with an audio-visual introduction.
Consider the web store as a stage to showcase your products.
Next is a brief refresher on the key concepts learned in the previous modules. Followed by a demonstration of the platform and how to perform key processes on it.
Based on their name or title, the type, or their price. For this demonstration, let us select the Product Price option.
What we just saw was a show me